Scratch my own damn finger. What's going on, bro? Flat? You got a spare? Huh? So you ain't got no spare nowhere other. By the time I got to change it for you right fast, you'd have had a spare. Ain't no tire shop local? Huh? You got somebody help? All right. Yeah, I'm about to say I'll take it off and bring it to a tire shop right fast. We had someone local to bring it. You don't want to take it to that tire shop up the road right here? Huh? They got them Arabs up here. Right here, just past the stop sign on there. I'll take it off and bring it down there right quick. I don't know how long your people gonna be. How long your people gonna be? Huh? Yeah, I got everything. All right, we'll take it over there.
It blew off from the inside or the outside?
Outside.
The car was just dry riding there.
Yeah. Y'all good, bro? I know everybody else passing by you, man. I said, man, let me see if I can get over and help. I was going down Sherwood. I saw you under the hood. I said, I thought it was a battery issue or something.
I had glues on yesterday, so I had put some glues to right adjustment.
Okay.
I'm thinking that we had to buffer until I made it right there.
Hey, come on, grab that, baby. We gonna go down there to the used tire shop, bro. All good, bro. Have a good one, all right?